$8 minus shipping. Shipping is $5, so I make $3 on. We'll buy these. I love little stuff to ship. Yeah, they marked down a lot of stuff. Don't want any of that. $3.50. I don't think this has a listing. Try again. Seriously. Thank you. Okay, $2.50. It was $7.50. No, thank you. $4. They must have marked down a lot of stuff because most of it's gone. This aisle was filled last week. $3.50. Not worth it. $8, too much. $10 is good if I didn't buy them for $5. I bet he would sell these. I will buy all these if he marks those down. I want these. Come on, UPC. Yeah, I'll buy all, even at $7, I'll buy them. So I think let's see. What are we gonna do? Put it in the cart and then go look for them? Yeah, we'll do that. I'm hoping he'll sell those vacuums he has, but let's just put them down here. There's too many to put right here. Holy moly, there's a lot. I need little boxes that fit this. I have all the other type of boxes. I don't have little baby boxes like this. There we go. Go ahead and do this. What's the date? Okay, that was 2 days ago they marked these down. So I missed it by 2 days. Okay, 2 more. Last one. And throw these in there. Okay. That's all, I think. Yeah, no, that thing's too big. 7. Well, it's 30. It's not bad, but it's too much. These were $1 at another Walmart, and I did not want them. 20. 10's too much. 25. Let's see how much this is. Whew, way too much. Missing one bowl. They got that thing on blast. I'll buy these at $7, but I don't want to pay $7, so hopefully I will run into him. Let's go to, I saw a clearance over here. Let's go over here. God, that's so loud. I tell him to lower the volume too. $4. Oh, them are jeans over there. Yeah, we don't want jeans. $3. A toddler pillow. I don't think we want that either. No. Help support hurricane relief efforts today. We can go to least we're running away from the speakers, I hope. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the music and getting copyrighted. Okay, anything that should be on clearance, like this dog, but I don't think it is here. There we go. Let me make sure I have them. Okay. Time after time. 25, not on clearance. Time after time. I hope my bad singing is going over the music. I don't even know. I don't even want this. I don't know why I'm scanning it, because there was a clearance sticker on it probably. 7, okay. Oh, what's up, Mickey? Mickey just chilling. After time. Now a stupid song's gonna be stuck in my head. It seems like it's not supposed to be there, but I ain't scanning it. These right here I bought for $2. I'm sure they're not 2 here, but we can scan it. I knew that was gonna scan the barcode. Can I do it? Lower price here. Anything up top? I don't see any other clearance right here. None of this stuff really went on clearance. $1 million. Those could be on clearance. I don't know. Bobby. This one did not go on clearance. I'm sure this is the new doll. I'm not going to scan it. Okay, Magic Mixies. If they're, I mean, it's not worth it. I bought this crap so cheap. Yeah. That even at half off of that, which I think he'll let me get half off of any clearance, it's just not worth it. Now, I would love to find some dolls half off, but I've already cleared their dolls out. 10. Let's see what these are. I have not. Don't fall. Why'd y'all make it fall? There's Wendy's. Somebody accused me of taking every one of them. Oh, that one's not on clearance. Let's see about this one. Is this one $10.50? $6. Do I want to pay $3 for that? $5. I can't sell this. That sucks. Okay. Well, I would buy that at $5.50. Let's make sure it's $11. And if it is, we'll buy these because $11. Yes, let's see what this goes for. Ew. Amazon, yeah. I don't care. I'll still buy them for $5 or $5.50. Yeah. They have more up there. I wish Elsa was half off or on clearance. I can't reach it. What can I get? Will this reach it? Oh, that one's kind of messed up. That's probably why it's up top. All right, I'm gonna jump. Y'all gotta hold on. See? Yeah, that's fine. Try me, I can sing. No, thank you. I do not want to hear you sing. Is this one different? Why is this one purple? Yes, this one's different. Why is this one different? Those right there are $1 at another Walmart. Huh. It's different, but it's the same price. So, okay. Good enough. What else? Let's scan these. I think this is full price since there's Asha. I don't know who that is. I don't see. There's, yeah. Okay. I bet you Asha. Some of this up there is probably on. Let's scan that box. Nope. Frozen's not on clearance. I don't know what that middle thing is. Let's see what it is. $25, not on clearance. Legos, I wiped their Legos out as well, but that was a while ago. They could have put more out. Any of this stuff on clearance? Those I bought on clearance. Nope, it was a different one. That video should drop, I think, next. Walmart Steals events. Oh my goodness. Anything down here? No. We'll just go down every aisle. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. Need a bike? Walmart Plus. Be a member. That's what I use. Scan and go. Walmart Plus. Nerf guns. Let's see about this aisle. Any clearance? Mr. Beast is not going to be clearance till after Christmas. Holy moly, that was a lot of stuff. Anything good? This one hasn't sold. They stopped selling. So we're good. Yep, nothing good. All right. I think we're done. We want to see. I need to get the store manager because I want to see if they have any cooler things. I don't know what aisle. Probably down there. On the other side of the middle aisles. Let's go down here. Where's the cooler section? Refrigerator, coolers. Would it be down here? I don't know. This is out of my range of knowing products over here. Right here-ish. Let's see what he says. That's my wife. I don't see any. These right here should be on clearance. $199. That's not the right ones, maybe. I don't know. $249. That's the same one as this. No, maybe it's not. Old. I don't know. All right, I'll come back in a minute and let you know if I'm getting all this for half off, and do we have vacuums, and why is that one up there? I don't know. And blah, blah, blah. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, I'm back. I found the store manager. He said I could have all this for half off. So I'll be paying $3.50 for those, whatever they're called, Bitsies, or I don't know. $5.50 for the Moanas, and then $1.75 for those. He said there were some grills out here. I don't know if I want any grills, but they're going in the back to get the vacuums for me. 7 vacuums. Let me scan some of these. Oh, there's a lot of stuff over there. That's Christmas crap. 7 vacuums for $25 each. $4.74. That's not on clearance. I would buy. What is this? We do need a grill for me. Air fryer. Blah blah blah. Right here. $2.94. That seems like a decent deal. Let me scan it and see what the regular price was. Nope, that's regular price. Go back to scan and go. I'm under a fan, massive fan. That's probably, if y'all hear something, that's what y'all hear. Nothing. This is just so much crap. I can leave my stuff there. Let's just walk. Okay, pizza oven. Is this over there? I don't know. Regular price. Yeah. Way too much. All this is too much. I don't care about those. We got employees in the back just chilling. They already got rid of all their rugs. Let's go. I saw a pallet at the end over here. Don't do it. Electronics. see, something like this maybe. Those seem expensive. $347. I think all these are regular price. I need to ask them what's on clearance. Let's see what this is. $297. All this regular price. What about this stuff? I want those lights. Regular price. $247. Regular price. 54. That's on clearance. Let's see what this is. This is chainsaws. Ooh, chainsaws are not on sale. $64 for that chainsaw. See how much this is. Blower. $114. Too much. $108. Any barcode? I don't see a barcode. Here's one. We'll scan those. $88. Too much. $58. Yeah. And then all the heart crap, I'm sure, is not on sale, which sucks. Can't enter that. Oh well. All that. Let's see the grill. Too much. Alright. There's lawnmowers up there. I want those. Go this way. Okay. I think that shit was looking for clearance grills as well. I'll scan these. $22, that's an even number. $2 off. Yeah, okay. Let's scan. Yeah. Scan this. And then I gotta scan this. Nope, it's gonna scan that. Alright, you gotta help me again. Or y'all gotta help me. It won't scan. There we go. $328, not on clearance. Oh well. 30. So these grills are on sale. These blue ones are on sale for 30. What about this? What is this? Blackstone. It was like a griddle. Can I scan this? Nope. Crap. $184. Yeah, maybe. These are 30. It'd have to go to 10 for me to. I can't buy these. I don't have room for these. So no. That's probably the grills he was talking about. Alright. All that will be Christmas. Lawnmowers. Alright. I will be back again when he brings me. I did ask him to find, let me show you, so you won't be shocked. these. Nope, not those. These. These little Frigidaire, portable, whatever, coolers. They have them for $9. I said I would pay $4.50 for them. So it says they have 9 in the bin. So hopefully he brings me those too. They have them in blue and black and pink and all the colors. But I don't know if he'll even find them. Because I looked on the regular aisle and there's not any, of course. But I'll be back in a minute. Alright. He told me to come by seasonal. Let's see what he's got. Hopefully 7 vacuums and the cooler things, Frigidaire cooler things. Seasonal. Where's seasonal? I don't even know where seasonal. Up front, I'm guessing. Maybe up front. Yeah, seasonal. I see the sign now. Gotcha, right here. Perfect. Those are. Yep, Frigidaire. Perfect.
We found the pink was in the blue.
Okay, sounds good. I'll take them.
Yeah, one pink, one blue.
And 4 vacuums? All right. Sounds good. Where do I need to go?
Yeah. Oh, you want to take the customer service?
Customer service. Thank you, Cedric. Love it. Make a relationship with the Walmart staff. It will pay off. And I love how they're in the boxes, because all I have to do is put a label on them.
What's your head on?
There we go. It's mine and his. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Let's see. How beautiful that is. All right, I will show the receipt just in case y'all don't believe me on this one, because y'all see all these prices. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out the inventory checker that told me that these were in the back, so I could get somebody to go back there and get them. Clearance. Check out my membership. All these UPCs will be in there, and you can talk to me, ask me questions, stuff like that. I respond pretty much instantly. Thanks for watching. I will bring the receipt next. All right, I'm gonna show you what I got. These are the things I got for $4.50. So I got 2 cases, one blue, one white, I think. And there we go. So now my tonneau cover will shut. And we got 4 vacuums. Two, 4. Here we go. Let me jump. I got my stuff like this. And then let me go ahead and show you the receipt like I said I would. All right. All the Bitsby's, whatever, however you say that, are $3.50 instead of $7, like I told you. All those are $4.50. The coolers, whatever they are. Fingerlings, 2 of them at $1.75. And all the coolers, and then the vacuum was $25 each. So thanks for watching. Make sure you click on the membership and the inventory checker. And like the video, share the video, show people this video. I'm sure your Walmart has these vacuums. I'm positive they have the vacuums. So make sure you share the video. They want some $50 vacuums marked down to $25. They were actually $160 something, $200, I don't know. Click the video, click like, share, comment. Tell me you like the video. I'll respond to every comment. Thanks for watching.